He knows where home is.
This way.
He won't go.
Wait. This way. Hang on. Okay, fine. Where do you want to go?
Oh, just have him lead us the way. Hi. Hi. Are you happy? Are you happy? Hi. Peyton. Shark. Do. Come on. He knows where home is. He has a good sense of direction. Where does he want to go? Come on.
He's not a dog. Puh.
Over here. He knows. He knows. He doesn't want to go. Come on. He knows where home is. He doesn't want to go.
Do you know where home is?
Yeah. No, you're fine.
Oh, they're too smart.
He will go home. Oh, he's gonna follow her.
Dude, come on, let's go home.
Just take him. Mia, don't late. Careful his head. Pain. Don't do that. Come over here. Oh, Peyton. Honey, don't. Oh, he's trying to go forward. No. Come on.
You can't go outside, bud. Not yet.
How is it? Okay, let's go back. He wants to go outside. Come on. Uh-oh, this is the reaction. Oh, someone had too much fun, huh? See if he'll walk back now?
Nope.
Oh, you want to go? You want to go back? Oh?
No.
He wants to go back. He doesn't want to go home. Go home. He has a good visual memory. Ito daw, nataka lo, brain mo.